Look at that right there. Look at that right there. I believe that thing right there is something that you call a drone. I know it's not a helicopter. I know it's not a bird because birds don't fly like that. I know it's not no fucking plane. It ain't no hot air balloon. That's a drone right there. I bet you anything in the world that's a drone. That little dot right there. Because why would it be flying right towards me? You have to be pretty dedicated to go to such great lengths to follow somebody when you got like drones following you like that. That little black dot. I got a better view of it than this camera does. This camera is like not like a camcorder. It's like, where's that? It's that little black dot, dude. Alright, that's good. Cut.